In case you missed it, for a couple of weeks last month, I got to help my friend Johnny Brooke of Crafted Workshop build a guest house in his backyard. The entire project from start to finish will be on his channel, but I also wanted to release a few videos showing the experience that I had doing my first collaboration with another YouTuber. We had a great time, and here's how it happened. Is this all you got in here?
Yeah, this is not the main shop. The main shop might have like maple and stuff, so.
Well,
I ain't gonna use it.
that'll work. We're down to the bottom of the barrel, I guess you'd say.
Also, I got, here we go.
This is Johnny's garage workshop, and while it's pretty amazing in itself, he actually has a full-blown woodworking shop that's one of the most well-equipped I've ever seen across town.
Enough, you think?
I think that'll get it. You're pretty much out anyway, so.
Not much. I've got these little trim boards.
Yeah, bring them.
We could use as the cross pieces.
Yeah, bring them.
Okay.
Yeah, one thing I'll say is I've definitely built forms out of everything, even pieces of tree limb on the property when I run out of stuff. It's in Johnny's shop. It's gonna come home with me if I put it on my saw and accidentally forget to take it off. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks better. As you may have guessed by the title of this video, Johnny is a very experienced woodworker, but this is his first ever home building project. And in true Johnny Brooke fashion, he has top of the line cameras and equipment to film this whole process.
We're like 2 inches.
45.5. You can't really double check yourself too much, I'll say that. Once you've dug holes and poured concrete, it's hard to move. Just like many building projects, we had to take our time doing this because we had to take into consideration many factors, including tree placements, setbacks, and property lines in this neighborhood. So it's really important that we didn't start building this house in the wrong location.
Yeah,
so we got one line there. Thinking it's probably about lunchtime.
Yeah.
We got 10:07.
10:07.
Let's do it.
Time to get a beer?
Yeah.
Go down to burial?
So you're saying we made this form extra large for no reason?
Well, we, how do you define that?
I like to speak French a lot. We this, we that,
Eric.
So that's the mark we need. That's just all extra for now. But it looks nice.
Protects the trees. Keeps me from running into trees with the excavator.
Yeah, I do like it. Yeah. I've not worked like in the woods too much, and basically all the tools get lost. See, like you didn't even see that. And there it is. This thing matches the ground perfect. It's perfect camouflage.
All right, so this is the perils of burning an inch. So my original mark I didn't burn an inch. I scratched it out, made another mark. We still put it on my original mark. So this is an inch off because we were looking and saying, this looks a little wrong. It's only ½ an inch difference over here, but still, forget burning.
Double checked it though.
Yeah.
So much better.
Yeah, dude.
This is cool. I wonder if Johnny's gonna turn this into like a bowl or like a coffee mug or something. I bet he is. Well, I think that looks pretty nice, Johnny. I think I'm gonna get out of here before the digging takes place though.
Oh man, I got 2 shovels.
Did you know shoveling is hard work? Yeah. One thing I know about Johnny is he researches everything. He even researched how to drive a machine before he rented this, and that really paid off. One thing you may not know is that Johnny has actually been a real mentor for us when it came to learning the ropes of YouTube, and I credit a lot of our success on YouTube to him. Nice. At one point, I had mentioned that we could probably just dig these footings by hand since they're just piers, but I'm really glad we didn't attempt that after seeing how many roots we got into. I gotta say I'm actually impressed with Johnny. First time ever running an excavator. I guess he's played a lot of video games. It's the only thing I can say that maybe helped him out because it's pretty good. I'm actually impressed. If you're ever digging in the woods, that's what you're gonna get is about a foot of root mat before you get to real dirt like that. So without an excavator, that'd be bad with a shovel. How do you feel now?
Yeah!
Hey Hey Johnny, we can make this way more exciting if like a hose popped off of here, or like the track came off, just like Gold Rush. You ever watch Gold Rush? That's how they make it exciting. Like the machine breaks down, stuff goes wrong. It's going too good for you right now.
I know, there's no drama. Well, this stump is kind of dramatic.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere. Well, just think about that.
All right.
We need a breakdown or a malfunction, or like maybe flip the track over. That's how they do it on Gold Rush. I mean, that makes for good entertainment. What we have here is a fresh, brand new, never opened residential code book. This is
$200.
This is a really nice moment. Look how just straight and crisp every single page is. Wow. Taking bets. Is he gonna hit the camera or not? Oh.
Wow. How do you think that is?
If you're looking for a tried and true workout, all you gotta do is get a shovel and dig a little dirt, and it's like full body workout. It's great.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it's good. This guy is so new at building houses that he thought digging the footings was fun. What did you like about it so much?
Well, you did all the shovel work, so I mean, driving an
that's right.
excavator is super fun. I'd never done that before, so yeah.
And I want to mention,
cool.
you're like pretty good at it for a first timer.
You know, I play a lot of video games. I feel like it transfers. You know.
Yeah, it does.
The joysticks are very similar.
They are.
I mean,
it's a
I'm
giant.
kind of being serious.
It's a giant video game. Well, in our case, it's a miniature video game.
And that's another thing. This thing's a lot less intimidating, just because it's kind of tiny. So.
Right.
I screw things up slowly.
Yeah. Ooh. So if you don't know, Johnny has a channel that's super popular. He lives kind of near where I live, and he does woodworking projects, CNC projects. What else?
Some home improvement stuff, some welding, metalworking, just kind of whatever I need to build for my house.
And now building a house is what he does. And he's going to have a whole video series on his channel. We're going to help him get going with the, construction part of this. Look how safe we're being, Johnny.
I know, man. 6
We're
feet,
like
buddy.
6.5 feet.
Easy.
Wow. As you can see here, Johnny has professional gear, and that's going to make his videos really good. And what you got here is my iPhone video, which is what it always is, which is okay.
Yeah, so I'm building a guest house in our backyard here. My wife and I are having a second kid. Getting a little bit cramped in the main house.
Congratulations.
So, yeah, thank you. Yeah, so my parents love to come up. They live in Atlanta, so a couple-hour drive, and this will give them a great place to stay.
Johnny, he's a one-take wonder. That was first take, by the way. You said everything important.
I try.
Gosh.
I try.
Someday. So we'll show the plan here real quick. This is not the original plan that Johnny had intended.
No.
It was way more modern and taller. But his neighborhood requires a structure to be less than 14 feet, 16 feet from the ground to the ridge, which the other one was bigger. Yeah. And also, they didn't like the style of it, even though we both agree that the style of the original plan was way cooler. Definitely. But this will still be a really nice place for his family to stay, and they can stay for a long period of time, help with the kids. You will need help. I've got 3 kids, I'll tell you.
Well, I'm having an old snip after 2.
Yeah.
So 2
that
and
is
definitely done.
That's a good move.
Yes.
Let's talk about his structure here. We have piers, because this is not going to be on a continuous foundation. It's going to be on piers. These are 30 by 30, and they'll have a foot of concrete with a sauna tube, and that will hold the girders. So this thing's like kind of like a tree house. Where'd you get that idea, Johnny?
The architect, when he came out to kind of look at this area, he saw this and he was like, man, we should do something like that, like a little tree house, because we have this super wooded backyard. It's really nice and quiet and shady.
It is.
That dang dog.
So nice, except for that dog. Where's he at? Is he that yard?
Yeah.
Right
over there.
Yeah, he's
a
real friend.
Ruin my life during this project.
So it was inspired by that,
treehouse.
Which is super cool. Are you going to have windows though?
I will have windows. Yep.
Okay.
And it won't be that tall.
That's right. That may be
the funny thing.
Taller than it's supposed to be, right?
Absolutely. I really want to go over there and pull a tape, because
you could probably do that.
It's absolutely taller than 16. I would. Well, it might be right on it. It's close.
Either way, it's just enough to make you mad.
Yeah. Well, and it doesn't match their house. I mean, that was the whole thing. The reason we had to change this, because the HOA really hung up on this matching.
Has
the
to
main
match
house.
that house, which is not a tree house.
No, no. And it's like kind of whatever colonial New England style, not at all modern.
Right.
So, you know, still, we can still tie that in and have a modern-ish building.
Yeah.
It's just lap siding and basic trim and stuff. So you have a little bit of wiggle room there, but no shed roof, no metal roofing, you know, none of the things I wanted to do. So
it's a bummer.
It is a bummer. Because I just watched y'all build that house and watched all
super
those
cool.
things. And
Yeah.
I'm like, man, that's cool.
Tina's moved in. She's
Dude,
loving it.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah. So, but it'll still be cool. And it'll still be a really good learning experience because I'm in my backyard. So I don't have to go very far to research something or grab a tool or whatever. So if I build another house someday, then I'll be more equipped.
You're about to learn a lot.
Yes.
Or hire somebody before you're done to finish it for you.
No.
One or the other.
I'm seeing it through, man. This is a content gold mine.
Yeah, it is. There's so many things that you can make videos about. That's what we figured out.
Yeah.
You're going to do something different every day.
I know. I mean, I'm pumped because I have
almost
no construction experience. So this is really cool.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
All right. Johnny did build something, and it's right there.
Yeah, that's it.
And so far, 0 bears have got his trash.
No bears. Bear, I would say very bear resistant.
Yeah. So that was a win.
Yeah.
I like that. So if you want to watch the video about that, that's on Johnny's channel too. How he built that thing. It's pretty cool.